Happy Friday morning. It is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute, so let's see where the market takes us. All right, have an order to get some shares short at 44.15, 44.25, and 44.35. So I got 450 of, nope, now I'm in all the way there. Oh, I got the ones at 25 and 35. Fantastic. So my average is at 25. So let me get some orders scattered out there. So I got Alright, what I would like to do is if the price drops back down, just put a stop loss in above 21. But looking like it's going to keep on going, so I can build my position some more then. So never mind with that. I'm perfectly fine. Well, now this thing's all over the place. So I'll throw out some orders down there again at 20 in case it wants to drop down there again. But you can see quite overextended here. Try to get some up there at 55 again. Got a little too cute earlier when I was trying to get that stop loss. I probably should have just thrown out some more cover orders. I mean, I'm still fine. I covered a lot for profit down there, but okay, got those at 55. But definitely probably did get, like I said, a little too cute. So I'm going to throw out some more buy orders down there. Put some out there at 30. And this thing is all over the place, which is fine. Like I said, still only 900 shares short, so just trying to let it settle down here a little bit. So I have some to cover at 44.30 and then some of these other ones down there. Not sure if it's going to get down that low again. We'll have to see what happens with it. Try to get some more short there at 44.65. Okay, so I got those. Some of you can see here, very, very overextended move. And as we've seen, this one moves very quickly. So we'll see if it wants to drop down some more here. Again, I have some shares to buy to cover at 44.40 and then 44.30. But did not want to get down that low. So I'll go ahead and pause it, and I'll let you know if I either add more or if it looks like I'm going to be able to exit out of the position. So I'll let you know. All right, I got out of those at 40. Now I'm trying to get out of some at, I need to learn my lesson. I got a little too cute last time. and I'm just gonna get out of there. That was a pretty sloppy trade. I mean, I still made 89, so I guess that, if anything, that kind of shows the power of a plan and a strategy. But that was pretty sloppy, very, very jumpy, and like I said, I got a little too cute. I should have been out of the trade during that first time, but then I was trying to set my stop loss and figure out this and that, and that in all honesty was a little deviation from the plan. I shouldn't have done that. Now, of course, I am speaking in hindsight, but in all honesty, that was just a deviation from the plan. I had my little 100 share lots that you saw were getting covered, and then I tried to get too cute, and then I don't want to say got myself into a bind, because I mean it was fine. I still felt totally comfortable, but I didn't really stick to the plan like I should have, and didn't get me in trouble. But it just turned from a well-constructed plan into something that was pretty sloppy for $89. And I don't want to come across like I'm ungrateful for $89, but it just I guess moral of the story, just stick with your plans fully. Don't try to get too cute, and don't get yourself. Just work smarter, not harder. That's probably the better way to put it. So let's see if I can capture one more, but I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I'll just end it here and use this as a great little example, but I don't know. Let's see if I can capture one more trade. And just to follow up, and I'm even going to wrap this up just as a lesson, but this is what sloppiness does. It got in my head, rightfully so. I guess if I did do anything right, I admitted to myself, this is just way too sloppy. I need to just end this thing. But because of that, now look at this. I mean, it's rolling back over, and it would have been, that much nicer of a trade. But sloppiness just affected things. It was good that I acknowledged the sloppiness, but I should have never had any sloppiness to begin with, and I should have, if I had gotten out and stopped playing games, I would have just restarted the process up around here, and it would have been, just a much smoother process. So, yeah. So like I said, I'm going to wrap things up. I do want to get the one question out of the way, though. That question being, how am I finding these, these stocks to trade? That's probably the most popular question I get. So what I've done is I just put together a resource guide here, totally free, where I talk about the tools that I'm using to find these sorts of stocks, to trade. So, for example, how did I find IP this morning to trade? Like I said, those are what I cover in this guide. It's a one-page document, so totally efficient. You don't have to read through multiple chapters or anything like that. Like I said, it is totally free. So click right there and I will email it to you. So that's going to wrap up the video for today. Not the most probably entertaining video in sense of all these big trades and big wins or anything like that, but a very good, valuable lesson. So again, just follow your plan. Don't get cute. And if things do get sloppy, admit to yourself, all right, things are getting sloppy, and just end the trade. It may end up costing you, money, but it's better than just, potentially letting something, turn into an absolute disaster. So, but make your life easiest at the front. Just stick with your plans from the get-go and don't get cute. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.